The egg whisperer.
Hold.
Yeah.
Hold.
Look at that.
There you go. This is quite entertaining. You don't want to try one?
I believe you. Somehow we should understand that character.
I'm rinsing them after I do it. This one sort of cracked weird. I don't know if it'll work right.
So who's making deviled eggs?
That is later.
All right.
Rinse this one. I got shell bits.
And of course Pepper joins the group
Well, yeah.
because that's what he does. Just too cool.
I don't know who invented this party trick, but it's quite fun.
Kind of the opposite of go suck an egg.
Yeah.
Oh. Amazing.
I know.